Are you looking for the best blind box in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best blind box that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Kitan Club Hamster and Egg version 2 plastic toy. This blind box comes with a very cute series of figures. It uses hamsters covered in sunny side-up eggs as their series. These blind boxes come with a set of 6 collectible hamster figures. Moreover, these hamster figures will go with you for a long time. They have a sturdy and durable build. In fact, they have a PVC plastic material. Thus, the body build has a solid and compact material. These cuddly hamster figures are also very small and portable. They come in a size of approximately 3 by 1 inches. The size makes it perfect as decoration to your tabletop, display shelves, bedroom nightstand, and many more. Furthermore, the purchase may come with an egg-hugging hamster, egg-hatted hamster, and an egg blanket hamster. With this, it is easy to collect and trade with your friends. Thus, this blind box is perfect for persons of all ages. At number 4, MegaHouse Digimon Adventure Data 1 Action Figures. Here is a blind box series that comes with a wide series of figures. It comes with 7 collectible Digimon figures. Each Digimon figure corresponds a certain different lineup. Thus, it is perfect for all Digimon fans out there. It also gives a great sense of accomplishment after collecting all 7 characters in the list. With this, it is perfect to showcase to your friends and display it to your favorite household spots. These Digimon figures are very cute and collectible. In fact, they have a size of approximately 1.5 by 1.5 by 2 inches. Moreover, it uses a safe and durable combination of materials. It has a PVC, ABS, and paper body composition. With this, it is also safe and free from harmful chemicals. Lastly, this 7-piece series comes with a limited edition of Agumon, Patamon, Palmon, Gomamon, Botamon and Kuromon, Uramon and Tunemon, Pitchmon and Pukamon, Tokomon and Poyomon. This makes collecting the series more fun and exciting because of this surprising edition figure. At number 3, Qualia Sabomi Fox Plastic Toy Collectible Figurines. Here is a blind box series that features a Japanese folklore. It comes with cute fox figures with different elements and expressions. This is because foxes are the common subject of Japanese folklores and represents a lot of meaning. Also, Sabomi means flower bud in Japanese. Thus, this blind box collection represents a budding fox expression that represent you or your mood. Moreover, this blind box series comes with 7 designs of figures. A purchase might contain a 9-tailed sky blue fox, 9-tailed orange fox, red fox, black fox, dark blue fox, pink fox, and an orange fox. Thus, you have a lot of options to choose and collect. Furthermore, these figures have a solid and durable build. It has a PVC body material that is free from any shredding. With this, it will go with you for several years without ruining its condition. Lastly, the figures come with a size of approximately 1.5 by 1 inch. Thus, it is perfect as decoration to any tabletop or surface. At number 2, Kitan Club Blond Box Cat in a Bed Plastic Toy Collectible Figurines. This series of blind box comes with durable and long-lasting figurines. The figurines have a PVC body composition and is free from shredding. Thus, it will maintain a mint look and condition for a very long time. Also, these figures are very portable and handy. In fact, it has a size of approximately 3 by 2 inches. With this, it easily fits inside your pockets and bring it anywhere you want. Furthermore, this blind box comes with a series of 5 colors of adorable and cute cat figures in a plastic bed. In fact, you may get a bed with a color of pink, green, blue, yellow, or purple. Hence, it is easy to collect and complete the series. In addition, it has a stable bottom for a stable stand. Thus, it is perfect to display on any surface, table, or desks. Boost your mood with these cute cats in bed blind box figurines. At number 1. Gund Pusheen Blind Box Series. This blind box comes with a very endearing animal figure. It uses sweet and appalling cat figures that wears raincoats and jackets. These blind boxes come with a set of 14 collectible hooded cat figures. Moreover, they have a plush material that is soft and fluffy to touch with. Thus, this product is very comfortable. These Pusheen cat figures are very small and cuddly. In fact, it comes in a size of approximately 2 by 2 inches. Moreover, the products have a ring clip on its upper portion. With this, it is perfect to use and display to your keychains. This also makes it perfect as gifts and giveaways to your friends and loved ones. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.